Alright, so I'm back and I got my stocking cap, so now it's time to do my hair. Like, that facial was so lit. Like, y'all not see my skin? That facial was so bad. YouTube, if y'all want to see it, like, I don't be playing. You see what happened? If I tell you what happened? Yeah, I swear you I made my word.
Station from iHeartRadio.
I like it when you move.
Oh, my nail about to come off.
I like it when you go there. I like the way you use silhouettes of a perfect frame. Shadows of your smile will always remain.
inside the headlights.
Yeah, I saw your love light. You was passionate. I just wanna bask in it. Winning it like a championship.
You gon' show me love like.
Dance on that demon time. She might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you want to see some real
Alright, y'all, so
chance, I say left cheek.
I'm honestly gonna cut this at this because I really been recording all day. So from the facial, y'all see my face.
Put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches. I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Bitch, I got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. Yeah, classic, bougie, ratchet.
This is the look.
I'm still a bitch. Yeah, I'm a savage. Yeah, classic, bougie, ratchet. Sassy.
So let me stop. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this wig tutorial. I had to like skin before my products that I received that are so bomb. So this is definitely a bomb ass review, and I thank you guys for watching. We got the hair done, quick little cat blending. I think I'm gonna leave this. I don't know how long. I'm not even gonna say nothing because I've been able to get out like mid-speak. So I'm gonna try. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications because y'all know I'm always uploading a video. I thank you guys for watching, y'all. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Like, I feel like my skin just feels so much better and it's so smooth. Even though like I still got a couple bumps right here. But I'm gonna do it again. And it's gonna be going. So yeah. Also, I am planning to do a giveaway. I don't know how many subscribers I want to get to before I do the giveaway. So make sure y'all turn on your post notifications because I will be planning a giveaway. Okay. I'm trying to be like everybody else. Like, I'm not trying to be like everybody else, but I see that that's something like big on having a channel, doing giveaways and stuff. So I gotta figure out how many subscribers I want to get. I would definitely be giving something out in merchandise, whether it's a wig or some clothing merch or some makeup. And we're gonna go from there. Like, we just looking up from here. We just trying to be successful and grow and build businesses and brands. Okay. So again, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.